Managing your personal information is easy, right? You know just where to go to change your address, update your beneficiaries, and view your payslips. Well, not quite. You see, with multiple websites, endless request forms, and ineffective, time-consuming paper processes, it's really hard, not to mention ineffective. There must be an easy way to do this. Well, actually there is. Introducing Workday.
Workday makes it easy to change personal information, check your benefits, request time off, find people in your directory, submit expenses, and generate reports. You can just as easily navigate your company's org chart.
What else makes Workday cool? It looks and works just like your favorite website and houses all of your information in one place, the cloud. The cloud is a secure way to store information without physically keeping it at your workplace, and it's available on any device, anytime, and anywhere. Yes, even from your favorite coffee shop. You're joining millions of workers around the world who are using this next generation of enterprise software. Welcome to Workday.